Right in front of me is the cheapest RTX card on the market. The MSRP for this card is $250. Now the real question with this price tag is, can it play AAA games, can it DLSS, and can it ray trace? Let's dive right into it. What is going on, everybody? My name is Mason from Pranked Films. Today we're going to be talking about the RTX 3050 from Zotac from NVIDIA. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open this card up, and we're going to see how big it is and what it really looks like for a 3050. But we still got one major question, and that is, can it run Crysis? So my overall opinion of this card is that for the price point, if you were going to be paying $400 for this card from Zotac, you might as well look for an upgrade to the 3060 Ti. Now, if you're able to get this card at its original MSRP of $250, I don't think you're going to be disappointed with this card. This is a great starter card for gaming, and if you want to get into just computer gaming overall and you want to make a budget rig. But on this note, do I recommend this card? At the price point of $250, this card is a hard recommendation. Now, at the price point of $400, I would recommend getting a RTX 3060 Ti or even a 3060 at that price point. But overall, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. If you guys like this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.